Bajaj Formulations was established in 2007 to manufacture pharmaceutical formulations on P2P basis in the tax-free zone of Roorkee, Uttarakhand. Currently, they are manufacturing for more than 2,000 pharmaceuticals marketing companies in India. Today, they are the biggest unit in their customer segment. There is no district in the country where the medicines manufactured by Bajaj Formulations are not present. The entire team of Bajaj Formulations works with the motto, "Without integrity, nothing works," to achieve extraordinary results. Amit Bajaj, founder of Bajaj Formulations, who believes the most important responsibility is to lead from the forefront and active decision making is most important and procrastination is the biggest parasite. The Bajaj Formulations specialize in a large range of products including tablets, capsule, syrups, dry and liquid injectable, soft gelatins and sachets, all under one roof. Moreover, they have an in-house printing and designing unit for speedy execution of orders. Pharmaceutical companies face challenges from a number of different areas. The burden of regulatory reporting, returns issues, environmental conditions, transparency in the supply chain, and worst of all, counterfeits creating negative PR. Pharmaceutical marketing companies that are going to be dealing with pharmaceutical medicines, manufacturers need to keep in mind these 6 things. Understanding the problems that they may face will help prevent issues from arising. 1. Counterfeit drugs. Unfortunately, counterfeit drugs don't seem to be going away anytime soon. Marketing companies need to make sure that the drugs they market are high quality and meet quality standards. 2. Keeping up with technology. Changes in personal medical technology like wearable trackers will change the landscape of pharmaceuticals. Nanotechnology is constantly advancing, requiring manufacturers to keep up with advancements. 3. Marketing challenges. Marketing can be tricky and leave companies open to liability problems. Manufacturing companies need to ensure that the R&D process is still thorough, which improves patient safety and reduces risk for marketing companies. 4. Generic drug competition. Generic drugs are a great way for patients to enjoy the medication that they need at a lower cost. Pharmaceutical marketing companies need to be sure that the generic drugs that they sell are properly manufactured. 5. Liability. No marketing company wants to be held liable for addiction or other problems. Manufacturers need to hold their medication to high standards so that marketing companies can market them without fear. 6. Global quality control. Pharma companies have to ensure that they meet government quality standards while adhering to all local regulations abroad and are also responsible for blocking for illegal trafficking of counterfeit medications. Now, imagine a solution for all these problems. Bajaj Formulations promises good health for all by providing quality medicines at affordable prices. They are a GMP and ISO certified organization led by a team of dedicated professionals who are committed to deliver the best. They are an integrated, research-based pharmaceutical company producing a wide range of quality, affordable medicines trusted by healthcare professionals and patients. To reach us out, visit our website at www.bajajformulations.com. Bajaj Formulations, where without integrity, nothing works.